In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear nameplate on this Chevy Tahoe. This will be located on your rear lift gate. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To remove the nameplate from the vehicle, you want to be extremely careful. For the nameplate itself, it will have an adhesive along the backside holding it to the lift gate. So we'll end up using a little bit of heat to soften that. Once you feel as though you have it heated up so the adhesive is loosened, continue on with a plastic trim tool and gently start to pry it away from the vehicle. We're being careful not to damage the paint in any way. There it is, friends. Now with the nameplate out of the way, you're going to want to remove the rest of the adhesive that was holding that nameplate to the lift gate. While doing this, once again, we're being extremely careful not to damage our paint, so we'll be using a plastic tool. This process can take a little while. Now the next thing we'll do is clean down the area. All right, friends, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new nameplate. Before we remove the backing for the nameplate, it's important to take note of exactly where you want it to be. Now, generally for this, you could either take a measurement and then put a piece of tape coming across so you know exactly where it's level. On our application, we can still see the outline of where the original one was in place, so that's where I will align it with. Now, with that said, we can remove the backing from this. Just go ahead and grab onto one side and start pulling it off. We're being extremely careful not to touch anything on the adhesive. Let's get this in position, making sure that we're perfectly level and not sitting off kilter in any way. Just gently stick it on there for now. Double check to make sure it's sitting properly. Once you're sure it looks like it's straight, go ahead and press it onto the lift gate. Double check to make sure it's secure all the way across. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.